Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So we have this GE Profile 5.4 cubic feet high efficiency smart top load washer and built in Alexa voice assistant sapphire blue 798. I gotta tell you, this looks like it's a pretty good buy. It's a pretty decent buy. I'm looking at these other ones, the Maytag ones, and this actually looks like it's the Maytag seem to be simpler. This one seems to be simpler, but as simple, but it gives you where at the cycle it's at, I think. And I think it gives you the same amount of selections as the Maytag one, but it just gives you a little bit more information as far as where the cycle is at, I think. And it's about a little bit more than the Maytag, but this looks like it's a pretty if you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. It's got a 10-year limited warranty. Let me know if you guys have used the 10-year limited warranty, whether whether it's worked out for you guys. Easier access capacity, tangle control, deep fill, sanitizer, oxy, smart wash tech, sensor dry. No, this is for the dryer, enhanced adaptive smart wash technology. Let us know whether this is any of that is actually an improvement on what you have as far as your simpler machines are concerned. If you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. And I've said this before, these washers these days have a huge amount of space to put clothing and stuff in. But leave a comment in the comment section. You guys have this, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.